Well, this will be the last one tonight. What you're looking at there is all the lifts. And these little lights right here. I didn't want to do that. Yeah. So we're going to do one more. I don't know if I want to go out there or not.
You're gonna be fucking city deep.
Still floats.
Sitting on the lip.
Sorry, Hutch. I would say it's 5 feet. Maybe 6. It's deep enough that I don't want to walk another 10 feet out because it drops down about 3 feet. So I'd say at least 5, if not more. I was wanting to go around the corner, but yeah. So the water's going in the chateau now. I don't know if you can see all this. This is, yeah, pretty crazy. If I wasn't so tall, I'd be getting wet right now. Hey Justin, we just found your chairs. They're in the middle of the pool, but it's all right. They've got their life jacket on. All you can do is laugh. Shit. Hope that's not my truck. Since I don't want to go out the front, I'm going to just keep going this way. Y'all can see Stimmy's in the background. It's probably 3 feet over the dock. But I'll tell you one thing, I did a hell of a job tying them boats. At least he's in the back. The ones in the front, I don't know, it's probably chest deep there. Yeah. Thanks, Amber. We'll be back in business All the boats seem to be in pretty good shape. This is the underneath side here. Got a couple over there on trailers. Hopefully they don't float away. One over there. Yeah, got one sitting, wanting to float away. There's my truck. I think it's going to be okay. I'm saying that the water's starting to recede. That may just be wishful thinking. I do that a lot these days. We'll keep y'all posted on all this mess. We just had a friend send us a picture of a street sign across the street from our house, and it was about underwater, so we weren't able to get back to our house, so we're assuming that it's didn't do so well. But all the boats look good for the most part. Just make sure you keep all those guys in your prayers up in the panhandle, because they're getting clobbered right now. Hey Justin, I see your chairs again. They just got out of the pool. They're coming by to say hello. Man. Oh, mercy, mercy. Sorry I keep babbling, but there you go, Justin. I'm hoping I don't fall in the swimming pool. Hey Harper, I don't think we're going to be swimming for a while here. I'm trying not to fall in the water. That'd be for some good video, wouldn't it? So just to give you an idea, one more step and I go down about probably 2 feet. But it'd be up to my chest at that point. This was the second boat that we had bought, and she's still hanging tight. Talking about tight, look at those lines. Hopefully the water doesn't come up any higher. I think it's receding though, from what I've seen so far. I guess I'll get as much advertising out of this as I can. I'm sorry, y'all. We're super thankful that no one was hurt. I'm sure y'all are all bored with this by now. I so want to walk out over to these other boats because I'm more concerned with them than I am these back here. These are protected pretty well, and I'll try it. What the hell? This is like extreme sports. Boy, it's still blowing though. Looks like most of it's all gone to the north of us, but we've still got some onshore winds coming through. We got these jet skis strapped to these lifts. Hopefully they got enough buoyancy that they're gonna be able to float this. Oh my. Alright, this is gonna be fun. I think I got 2 steps here. Bear with me. Whoa! Oh! Holy cow. I don't think I'm going to do this. They're off in the distance there. They look pretty good. Pontoons look good. Hey, Allison, Josh, y'all might have to try off for dog bottles. I think I'm trying to maneuver these steps around to give you guys something to laugh at. Yeah, my office across the street, I'm sure it's got a little bug. Oh shit, I didn't pick up my computer. Doggone it. Oh well. Yeah, it looks like it's starting to recede. You see where it was. It looks like it's starting to go down now. Well, thank goodness those lights are all out. I'm not walking around in. Oh, there's still some here. All right, I've wasted enough of y'all's time. Make sure you watch out for all them folks up north of here and the ones that weren't as lucky as we are. In all my years, I've never seen something like this, and I'm glad. I hope I never do again. And this is minor compared to what some of these people are going through. Ah, hell. Y'all have a good night. I'm going to go drink something.